Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna nigiri. First, let's prepare the sushi rice. Use short-grain sushi rice for the best texture. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear, then drain it well. Cook the rice with a 1-to-1 ratio of water, then let it cool slightly. This perfectly prepared rice is the foundation of delicious nigiri. Next, let's prepare our tuna. It's crucial to use sashimi-grade tuna for both safety and the best flavor. Carefully slice the tuna against the grain into pieces about 1/4 of an inch thick. Each piece should be approximately 2 inches long and 1 inch wide, perfectly sized to top your rice. This precise cut ensures a tender bite. Now let's shape the nigiri. Moisten your hands with water to prevent the rice from sticking. Take a small amount of rice, about 1/2 ounce, and gently form it into an oval-shaped ball, approximately 1.5 inches long. Then, take a tuna slice and place a small dab of wasabi on one side. This adds a subtle kick. For the final step, gently press the tuna slice, wasabi side down, onto the rice ball. The warmth from your hand will help it adhere. Serve your freshly made tuna nigiri immediately with a side of soy sauce and pickled ginger. Enjoy this simple yet elegant dish. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.